Alright, today we're doing a video of our Mori Seiki model NV50001a/40, serial number NHX501GA4584. It's new in 2007. The machine is a 4-axis machine, 31 inches of travel in the x-axis, 20 in the y, 20 in the z. It has a 30 tool changer, 20,000 RPM spindle, Cat 40. We're going to run the machine for you. First we'll start with the spindle. That's 5,000 RPM. That's 8,500. That's 12,000 RPM. Again, max RPM is 20,000. Stop, we'll do a tool change. Do another one. Okay, now we'll jog the axes around. Start with X first. We have Y. The table is 43 inches by 23 inches, and then we'll do the Z axis. The machine has an MSX 501 Roman numeral 3 control with a FANUC back end, synchronized tapping. The machine also has coolant through the spindle and a chip conveyor. That does it for our video. Thank you for watching.